Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a stunning mid-engined marvel from the prancing horse stable, the 2024 Ferrari F8 Spider. Buckle up, gearheads, because this Italian stallion is ready to redefine open-air motoring. The F8 Spider slices through the air with a dramatic yet undeniably elegant design. Ferrari has kept the classic mid-engined proportions, but incorporated sharper lines and more aggressive contours that scream performance. The retractable hardtop roof disappears in just 14 seconds, transforming the car from a sleek coupe to a wind-in-your-hair roadster in the blink of an eye. Speaking of the roof, it comes in a variety of colors to complement the F8's stunning palette of exterior paints. And let's not forget those iconic Ferrari elements: the prancing horse badge on the hood, the quad taillights, and the massive air intakes that hint at the power lurking beneath the engine bay. Alright, enough about aesthetics, because that's just the cherry on top. The F8 Spider is a beast when it comes to performance. Nestled behind the driver sits a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, churning out a staggering 710 horsepower and 568 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to a mind-blowing 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.9 seconds and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. The F8 Spider isn't just about brute power, though. Ferrari's engineers have meticulously crafted a driving experience that's both exhilarating and confidence-inspiring. The car is incredibly responsive, with razor-sharp handling and a beautifully balanced chassis. Every input from the driver is met with immediate feedback, making you feel like an extension of the machine itself. The F8 Spider isn't all about old-school thrills. Ferrari has infused the interior with a healthy dose of modern tech. The driver gets a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display a variety of information. There's also a large central touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from climate to navigation. And let's not forget the driver assistance features. The F8 Spider comes equipped with a suite of safety technologies, including blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These features are there to enhance your driving experience, not take away from it. The 2024 Ferrari F8 Spider is a phenomenal supercar that delivers an unforgettable driving experience. It's a perfect blend of blistering performance, head-turning design, and modern technology. If you're looking for a drop-top that will set your pulse racing and turn heads wherever you go, the F8 Spider is definitely a car to consider. But be warned, this prancing horse doesn't come cheap. So, if you have the means and the desire for open-air motoring bliss, the Ferrari F8 Spider might just be your dream ride. Thanks for joining me on a virtual spin in the Ferrari F8 Spider. What are your thoughts on this open-air supercar? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Until next time, happy driving.